Ready, set, go! Good morning or good whatever time it is where you are. Welcome back to the Slow English vlog. Today we have a special guest. This is Darcy! Whee! Darcy is an Australian Shepherd dog. He's almost 5. Almost because soon, on the 27th of July, he's turning 5 years old. A big boy. A big boy who loves going to parks, spending time outside, and this is what we are going to do today. I'm taking you on a walk with me and Darcy to the park, to the biggest park here in Budapest, Városliget. I think we have to go because he's been waiting for around 45 minutes and I think he can't wait. Let's go. Bye-bye. Now the weather, as you can see, it's quite windy, but also it's kind of one of those in-between days. It's cloudy, but the sun keeps peeking through every now and again. And when it does, it's actually quite warm. When it's cloudy, you feel, like, should I put on the jacket? But as you can see, I'm already wearing a hoodie because I get cold quite easily. Darcy? These days, the weather is really kind of peculiar. You never really know what you're going to get. Some Hungarian, if you can hear that. Darcy, for the record, couldn't care less. All he cares for is a park. We're almost there. Let's go! Whee! Whee! Good boy! Who's a good boy? Now to the left. To the left. Come on, come on, come on. So we are in Városliget today, which basically means a city park. And this is the biggest park right in the heart of Budapest. It's got everything. It's got the lake, there's the castle, I hope you can see it, but of course we'll go there. And there are many cafes, restaurants, bars, playgrounds for dogs and children. So yeah, what not to like? So, Városliget or City Park is one of those places that means something different depending on who you ask. For tourists, it's the castle and thermal baths. But for locals, it's Sunday mornings, coffee, newspapers, and of course, dogs. And for Darcy, it's all about the smells and screeches. You may notice he is on a harness. He wants to play fetch rather than a collar. I switched to a harness a while back because it's much better for active breeds like Australian Shepherds. It distributes the pressure evenly without straining the neck, and it's way better for the dogs. Once you make the switch, you'll never go back. Okay, you want to play fetch? You want to play fetch? We are going to play fetch. A ball. He's also, I want to say this clearly, is extremely well behaved and... Sorry. People always comment on that. We put so much work into it when he was a puppy and it pays off. Look at him, sitting patiently by the tree, waiting to play chess. Okay, now on to the important part! Yay! Now, this is a ball launcher. It's basically a long plastic arm with a cup at the end that holds the ball. You swing it and the ball flies off much further than you could throw by hand, which if you've ever owned a dog, you know is a game changer. Are you ready? Come here, come here, closer. Ready, set, go! He lost the ball. Okay, let's go on a hunt. Where's the ball? Come on, I can see it, Darcy. He's there. Yeah! A happy dog, a happy mother of dogs. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Ready, set, go! You see, in his element. Yeah! He'll do this until he literally can't no more. Australian Shepherds, to put it mildly, are quite energetic. Well, this is the lake, Városliget, and across the lake you can see the castle. That's Vajdahunyad Castle. It is not actually a medieval castle. It was built in 1896 for a millennial exhibition and was only meant to be temporary. But people loved it so much that they decided to keep it. That's such a sweet story. Well, this is one of my favorite spots in the whole park. Here are these wooden loungers. You cannot actually fix them. They're just here. And honestly, I can't be bothered. I think this is part of the charm. You just sit down, face the castle, and that's your afternoon sorted. Darcy! Time. And of course, people bring books here, people bring coffee, people bring dogs, and just have the most relaxing time of their lives. Darcy has really strong opinions about this spot. Fun fact about this lake, in particular this part. In winter time, this part gets closed off and then flooded to later turn it into a skating rink. And it's genuinely beautiful. The castle is right there, the skating rink is there, there's usually snow, lots of fairy lights. It's very much a vibe. Australian Shepherds have double coats, so he's absolutely fine in the cold. Unlike me, wrapped up in 7 layers. That was Darcy. So I'm wrapped up in 7 layers when it's cold. It's a whole other story. Let's go. Come on. Come on. To be honest, normally he's a completely different dog after he has played, I don't know, for maybe good 20 minutes. But today we played a little bit less, simply because it's hot. I mean, it's hot and cold, but since he has a double fur, his double coat, he gets pretty hot in a shorter period of time, so we had to stop. But normally after such a game, he's so civilized, you know, so calm. He's ready for his sniffs and pee-mail. But I guess not today, really. Not today. He's pretty anxious, and nowadays there are so many tourists, and since he's so cute, everyone wants to make friends with him and everyone wants to pet him, and I'm not against that. I'm not against. It just explains his behavior and explains him being so overexcited and so emotional, right? If you are an active person and if you need a partner in crime, your ride or die, Australian Shepherds are the best choice. Yes, they're quite energetic, but they will join in on any activity you create for them, with them. They will be your best buddies. At least I have mine. I think he shies away from the camera. So Városliget is one of those places that works at any place. You can breeze through the park on your way somewhere. You can spend your whole day here watching the ducks, the carp, I don't know, drinking morning coffee and feel like you had a proper day out. Today we had a full version and I hope that for Darcy it was worth it. We are voting for that unanimously, right? Right, now on to your homework. And yes, even in a dog walk vlog, there is going to be homework. So pick 3 expressions from today's vlog that you really liked and describe your walk or park, or maybe there's a castle next to your house or your dog. And write these sentences down in the comment section. I check this comment section every day and I reply to all your comments. That really is the best part of blogging, connecting with you. And of course, give this video a like, share with a friend or a family member, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And don't forget to congratulate Darcy on his birthday on the 27th of July. He's turning 5! Where does the time go? Thank you for being here with me today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!